Alright guys, so I'm underneath a 98 Dodge Ram, and this has the 5.9 Magnum motor, and I'm doing an oil change on it. But I wanted to point out to you guys that this is the oil filter mount. It's the adapter plate, and this is leaking here, right where the ring goes. So when it's running, it'll drip down this shelf and then come over here and then drip down, and it's kind of deceiving. It kind of looked like the problem was the oil pan gasket, but it's actually this oil seal that sits between this plate and the block. So in order to get to it, I took the filter off, took off the brace that goes here. In this hole is a 1/2 inch, and then it mounts to the bell housing with a 5/8. And then this nut is a 1 inch deep socket to take it off, and it just spins off. You put the new seal on it and you spin it back on. No big deal. So I'll show you how it looks when I take it off. I wanted to point out that it is not on there super tight. I just barely had to use the wrench to take it loose, and then it just spins off. And as you can see, while I'm spinning it off, the plate just comes right out. And you want to replace I don't know if you can see it, but I don't see any kind of gasket on there. It's weird that it's leaking though. So I wonder if that plate is bad, or if somebody took that off and never actually put a gasket back on it. Let me know. Maybe there's not supposed to be a gasket on it. Maybe I just think there is. Or maybe the plate is damaged and it's not sitting snug where it should. Any comments, let me know. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos about how to fix your cars.